Hello, I'm Jason Deach from JDCC United Trailers here, and this is one of our JDCC trailers. It's a 46-foot liftgate trailer and specially built liftgate. We've got 65 inches upstairs height, so like with this modified car, it'll fit in here without taking wheels and tires off and put loading wheels on, and we still have 6'2" down below. This is our own built liftgate. It's all our own components. We don't sub this from anybody else. It's built in-house just from JDCC. We got the under lighting. We got the engine puller built in the door, so you can use everything. T-shirts display on the back. Sliding glass doors in the back to close it off to keep the heated air and the other elements out of the trailer. Full line of C-Tech cabinets with a bench here, split level AC, toolbox drawers throughout, plenty of storage, adjustable shelves, Novi lights, kicker sound system throughout. We got, this is built for most guys. It's for a shock and spring smasher. We built a kit that will go in here that you can put your shocks and springs in, put your spring smasher here, your power's right here to run that. We got a slide out in here. We normally build tire racks in a slide out. We left this one open for the show because depending on what form of racing, they might not need the tire rack, so they need it for another reason, and we will upfit that as they need it. We left this area that we normally build for the dirt guys. We build a tire rack up here too, because they take so many tires, but we can add a more C-Tech cabinet, do whatever they want. We can add into there. This side over here opens up so they can put a whole rear end assembly and front axles standing up in that cabinet. Our walls are all lined in 3/16 aluminum, welded from the outside in for strength. So all of our tubes on our frame are 2x3 tubes, 16-inch on center. We weld the 3/16 to it from the outside. So anything you want to hang in your cabinets, it's strong enough. You can put nut zerts in them and fasten the parts right to the wall, and you ain't got to worry about it. It's built like a unit body car for strength. It's got an Onan 12,000 diesel generator on it, stereo. We got accent lighting that comes on above the cabinets. You can change the color to whatever your team prefers. We got the refrigerator microwave. This trailer has triple 14,000-pound independent air ride suspension. So when it goes over like a railroad track, it looks like it crawls, which allows our floor height to be 16-inch running down the highway, 13 inches when you're at the track when you drop the air out of it. 16-foot box, it's 2025 JDCC, split axle, 5.25 horse, Detroit in it. Got the Domestic outside freezer cooler. It's got stainless steel fresh holding tanks, 2 slide out unit, exclusive JDCC door. This ain't the normal RV camper door. This door weighs about 500 pounds. It's built like a safe when you open it, so it ain't gonna have to worry about stuff falling apart. You can come on inside here. This has got dual slide out. That's a dinette that goes into a bed. This is a couch that goes into a bed. The close off doors that closes off the cab. This TV is movable. It's a power remote. It'll move it back and forth to where you want it. We got everything's on a self-engraved switch. This also is equipped with a 12,000 Onan diesel generator, and you can run the truck off of one or the trailer off of just one. You can go either way with that. Got all solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, convection oven, refrigerator, all smooth one-piece walls in the bathroom, solid surface with a solid surface cabinet. And our bunk space up top, you've got plenty of room to set up in our bunk space compared to most coaches are. The way we raise our bunk up and then we tie our awnings into the side of it to close that off.